Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your MailChimp account from syncing with your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your MailChimp account from your Bigin CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common for you to switch over service providers. So maybe you want to go ahead and stop syncing between the two. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bigin CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove your MailChimp account from syncing, what you're going to do is click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here on the left, and you want to click on toppings. Once you click there, you're going to see a lot of different integrations available, but you want to scroll down until you see the MailChimp logo. Once you found it, click on the green manage button. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to see the email and organization for your MailChimp account here towards the top. And in order to delete this integration, click on this red button here to the right, delete integration. Once you do that, you're going to see this warning. Are you sure you want to delete the MailChimp configuration for your Bigin CRM? If so, click on the red delete button. Okay, quick second later, you're going to see that pop up that the mail integration has been deleted. And then if we scroll down and then we look for the MailChimp logo, it should say set up now. So now any new contacts that we add into our Bigin CRM or vice versa in MailChimp, they're not going to sync the contacts between the two programs. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your MailChimp account from your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.